In this video, we will see how to delete the WordPress website. Here is my WordPress website, which I want to delete. First of all, let's go to the hosting provider website. I already logged in. Now, log into panel. Here are all the supported tools that you can explore and use for your website to increase functionality. First of all, I have an email account. Then billing and support. Your website files. Website database. All your domains. Check website metrics. Security. And software. Here, I will go with WordPress Manager by Softaculous. I am using WordPress as a CMS for my website. Let's click on this down arrow. From here, you can manage themes and plugins, and here is the WordPress version. You can disable auto-upgrade WordPress plugins and themes. Search engine visibility. WordPress cron. And debug mode. Here is my website URL and site name. You can check database details by clicking on View Database. You can explore more options from here, like security measures, clone your website, staging, backup your website, restore, remove, and uninstall. If you want to delete your website, click on Uninstall to delete website files, folders, and database of this installation. This is how you can delete your WordPress website. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.